All right, you're here and you made it. First of all, thank you so much for trusting me enough to be here. Whether you're curious, low-key skeptical, or just said, okay, fine, because it's me, I'm really glad that you showed up. So just so you know, you don't need to know anything yet. You don't even need to know what Forex is. That's what this is for. So this is a no finance bros, no experience needed intro to the trading world. And it's taught in the way that I wish someone would have taught me. I made this so you can see what trading actually is, try it out and see if your brain likes it and decide if it's for you. You don't need to be good at math, you don't need a finance degree, and you don't need any fancy software or trading apps. And to get started, you don't need any money. We're doing everything on practice accounts. All you need is a laptop or a computer. Your phone works, but it is a little difficult at first. So laptops, computers work best, some internet, and I'll walk you through the rest. Now, over the next few videos, you're gonna learn the basics. And yes, you'll even take your very first practice trade. Each lesson builds on the last. They are short, simple, and designed so you learn it and then do it. So, if you're nervous, don't be. This should actually be pretty fun. You're not here to be perfect. You're here just to start. And by the end of this week, you'll see the market completely differently. All right, let's do this.